Another rainy day, another mystery box. Let's go, baby.
Hey.
It's your boy, the Proper Popper, and
Sim1.
And today we got 3 things written on this board.
To stay safe, stay positive, and stay at home. Make sure that you're practicing social distancing if you have to go out, and also check on your loved ones to make sure that they're doing okay during this time.
Make sure, because we're all in this together. Hey, Pop Crew, keep it popping. Yeah. This is a Pops with Purpose mystery box, you guys. It has 4 boxes total in it. 2 are mine, 2 are hers. She picked her numbers, I picked my numbers. I don't remember what numbers we picked. We'll see when we get inside. But this was $25 shipped each. There was 4, well, we bought 4 boxes. And the top hits were the All Might Glow in the Dark, Funimation, and the All Might Chrome con sticker. So let's see what we got.
I'm glad that there's only one box.
One box.
So I don't have to open it.
To rule them all. And you guys, when we first got this, we had no idea because he shipped it with his name on there. So we're like, But then I hit him up and then it made sense. Got some bubble wrap. Some more bubble wrap, and this is what it looks like. So let's get these guys out of here.
I like all the bubble wrap. Appreciate it. I know which one's mine. Well, this one's for sure mine.
Well, I know I think I got 4 and 16 to be honest with you. So you guys, here's our numbers. I got 4 and 16.
And I got 5 and 11.
So, which number are you going to start with? Let's rock, paper, scissors for who goes first.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You always get me with that.
You
Same
go
thing.
first.
Same thing. Okay, I go first. I'll start with box number 4. Ooh, okay. I don't have this. Okay. This is one of the top pictured hits. But it's not a hit. But it's one of the top pictured hits. We've got ourselves Orange Chrome Batman.
Oh, that's really cool.
From Toy Tokyo. This is New York Comic Con of last year, I believe. Oh no, 2018. So that's what I got. And we got a cool sticker from Pops with Purpose to go onto the wall of stickers.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna open up 5. Number 5. Another sticker. Oh, you have this Pop, but I don't. Pops with the Purpose sticker. That's pretty cool.
Let me see that one. I didn't get this sticker.
Okay. Drum roll. This is also from Toy Tokyo.
Oh, Toy Tokyo? Oh, and we've got ourselves a repeat of Notorious B.I.G. And what's dope about these is that we got the actual con stickers.
Yeah, that's
so that's really dope. We got the Toy Tokyo, not shared.
I don't have this one, but he has this one.
So I don't know. Let's see who's winning in the total value. We don't know, but I guess it means my turn. And this says Faith on it. This is box number 16. It says Faith on it. So I'm hoping I got a little faith. Let me rub on it. It says it's a Cyber Monday blind bundle. I hope not, because that was not
part of the.
Okay,
day.
I got this box, but
okay.
Or I got this pop already, but ooh, at least it's the glow in the dark exclusive version. LA Comic Con last year. We've got Corrupted Venom glow in the dark.
Oh, do you have this one?
Yep.
But you don't have the one with the sticker.
I do have
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yep.
Maybe I should look at your collection.
Yeah, look at it. Read them in a week.
You have so many. Okay. Drum roll.
I didn't get no sticker in that box.
My favorite number.
Oh, I did.
Favorite number.
Favorite number 11. My favorite number was 16. It gave me Corrupted Venom.
Got another. Pops with Purpose sticker.
Ooh,
That's really cool.
Okay. We got a lot of these. This angry child.
This is a Toys R Us exclusive.
Toys R Us exclusive.
Yeah.
Wow, that's throwing it back to the old school.
Yeah. Sora.
We got Kingdom
From the Kingdom of Hearts, which we already had the Mickey Mouse one.
Yeah.
And that was it, I think.
But yeah, from this line so far, that's the only one we got, which we're not keeping. So we probably won't be keeping that either, but let me look at it. Still pretty cool looking, I guess. Yeah, not bad. Not my style, but still cool. You guys, comment down below. Who won? Was it Team Proper? Hashtag Team Proper? Or was it
Team Sim won.
Hashtag Team Sim? And then also let us know in the comment section below which one was your favorite of the bunch here. Mine would have to be this guy right here because I've been actually wanting this, and it goes with my blue chrome. I got the newer one with the black box chrome one. I think that was from last year's NYCC. I can't remember, but that's the one I got.
Mine would have to be Notorious B.I.G.
Pretty cool pop. Can't lie. Pretty cool pop.
I like his shades. Stunner shades.
His stunner shades.
Stunner shades.
So, you guys, in total value, here's my value. And
Here's my value.
let us know who won. Actually, we'll find out when I'm editing this video who won. Hopefully, I won.
I always win.
Let me win.
I always win.
So, thank you, Pops with Purpose, for the great mystery boxes. I'm almost positive we got our value back here because I don't think any of these are below $20.
Oh wow!
So I would say I don't think so. I mean, I don't know about this guy, but
that's really cool. No, these are some pretty cool.
so
pops, though.
pretty cool pops. Thank you and Pop Crew.